Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the H7 smartwatch, and this is the second video review for the push notification. So we'll have a demo of the following apps. So we'll try to have a demo of the Viber, WhatsApp application, and SMS. Okay, so we'll check if it will work with our H7 smartwatch. So if you are interested to see how the notification works or push notification works with H7 smartwatch, watch this video, and again, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and have the demo of the push notifications. Let's go first with the WhatsApp application. So let's send a message here. Let's say hello. Okay, our smartwatch vibrated, and we do have here the message. We have the logo of the application, the name of the sender, and the message. Again, okay, we have it here. Okay, before we proceed, I just want to check if there's a settings for the notifications. Display and brightness. Let's check general here. No. Notice. Okay. Notification content. That's it. Again. Let's send an emoji. Message sent. And we have here. So there's no support for emoji, as you can see here. Okay. So it's all blank for the emoji. Next, let's have a call. And call. And we have here a call notification from the WhatsApp application. Okay, so it works with our WhatsApp application. Next, let's have the Viber app. The same steps. Let's send a message. Say hello. Hopefully we can receive a notification. And we have it here. Okay, so it works with Viber when it comes to notifications. Let's have a call here. And we have a missed call notification. So that's it for the application, WhatsApp and Viber app. Let's have the SMS. Again, there's no quick reply, but we do have support for missed calls and sending messages. There's no support for emoji, and we have here an SMS message. So we have the logo, SMS logo, name of the sender, and the message. Again, hi, and we have it here. Okay, so it works with SMS. Again, it works with Viber and WhatsApp. On our previous video, we have a demo for Messenger and Instagram. So that's it for the smart notification feature of the H7 smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.